Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and today we have um a diorama set of the BRE, I think it's called the BRE Datsuns or something. It doesn't say anywhere what the name is. Yeah, it's BRE Datsun. So yeah, I do collect all three of these cars. The trucks I don't mind, so as long as it's a truck that I like, I don't mind it. So here's the cars that are in here. It's a BRE Datsun 620, that's that one. The BRE Datsun 510 wagon, this one. The 1991 BRE Nissan Sentra SER, which is this one, and the BRE Sakura Sprinter is that one. So the release of this one was in 2024. I got this for a nice deal. So let's get it opened and let's get the cars out. Luckily, now that my new camera has the option to pause, so if I'll see that there's a lot of, I can easily pause while I get these off and be basically right back. So here's the diorama. It's like a desert or some sort, so don't really know. It's like tarmac and a desert in the background or something. Not fully sure. But yeah, so let me get this all off and out, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I have finally released the cars from their rubberized prison latches, and now I can actually show them off normally. So let's start with the truck that nobody is mostly interested. Is the top is metal. This is all plastic. The base is metal. We have real riders, of course. And we have the openable back. You can drive your car in if you want to. Like for as a toy, this is a brilliant idea. As for collectors, these unlicensed vehicle trucks are not the best thing. But my main issue with this is that the way I will be displaying, probably I'll be probably picking this car because it suits this, and I'll probably be displaying it like so. At least I think I will be. Otherwise, I'll just have to put it on top, and that's it. Because that I have one more example of this truck, and that's how I'm displaying the car. So there you go. That's the truck. Rolls very smoothly. There we go. Next up we have our Nissan Sentra. I believe this was released once before, which is in the blue. I got it as a loose car. Didn't get it in the diorama set. Was something similar of this. Was only interested in this car, so yeah. We have a Bratson the BRE Datsun logo on the side with the stripes. We have back details, front details. Overall, nice looking car. Very nice, really like it. And now for the one of the most popular, but I think it's actually now sort of dying out. I haven't seen the hype going down, but still, this is a very popular casting, the 510 wagon. There's your details for the front. Also BRE Datsun on the side. Same for that side. We have these 4-spoke deep dish rims. The back is like so-so, not too crazy there. Metal on metal, rubber tires. These slicks for wood tires. Let's put that there. Okay, wait a minute, I just noticed. Nope, never mind. Just seeing things. And lastly, the Datsun BRE. What was this one? I forgot already. It's the Datsun 620. Okay. I think I have two more versions of this one. So yeah, pretty nice. There's our colored details for the front. Nothing for the back, although it does say it's embossed, like it says Datsun there. We have the BRE license plate. We have the, what do you call these, like lace wheels. Nothing too much on it. It's black and white. It does roll pretty nicely. And there you have it. Not a very long video. Probably because I didn't have to film how I'm torturing myself by getting them off of this thing. But yeah, tell me which one is your favorite from these. And my personal favorite, of course, is this guy. It goes very good with the truck. And yeah, luckily for me, this is a diorama that I collect all of the cars. Like I said, I have no problem with the truck because there is, I think, 2 or 3 trucks that I don't, maybe even 4. There are some trucks that I just don't like, and I usually get the car from the team transport and just get rid of the truck. But I don't think I have filmed that yet. But yeah, enough of me talking. So leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.